Turning your engine 1A405. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Compressor look nice. Look as well on altimeter, on the good conditions. And on this side, everything nice, as you can see. Starter, no broken. Look as well on the gearbox, no damage. And on this side, everything nice, as you can see. Just turbo, looking good. Turbo turn. And on the top, all connectors and injectors look nice. Everything is good. Same as well like on the bottom. Oil sump, have a cover. No any damage. And turning your engine 1A405.